So Hope Scholars Academy began when I was approached by a small group of people and encouraged to start a school. Seemed a little unusual, but I thought we'd pray through it, and God began leading myself and my family to both the university model and to Charleston. We saw many K-8 schools in Charleston, but not a high school that was strongly Christian, deeply classical, and yet unique in structure and style of teaching. As a result, we're partnering with several K-8 schools, homeschooling families, and other parents in the area to provide a high school alternative for them. As the head of school for Hope Scholars Academy, I'm excited to bring my 25 years of experience in the educational field to the school. I've experience in the advancement and development for Christian colleges. I was a nonprofit consultant for educational arts organizations. I've been a curriculum author for several publishing houses, and most recently, a high school English and history teacher for Conway Christian School. While teaching English and history, I realized the importance of discipleship of junior high and senior high young people, especially the importance of having multiple interactions during the week. When I had the students in my classroom and I had the time to talk to them, get to know them, understand their story, their questions, their journey, I had so much availability to mentor them, to disciple them, and to help them along in their journey, much more so than when I was a youth leader in a youth group one time a week in a church. As well, I've homeschooled my own children using co-ops to assist them, especially in the high school years. So I understand that dual role of homeschool mom and teacher and how hard that is to balance both those hats.